Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. In this video we're going to discuss about the 3 highly traded ETFs for beginners. I mean it is for the current week and the data will change depending upon the change in the price action and depend upon the market situations. Now the 3 important or 3 highly traded ETFs will start with Pro Shares Ultra Pro Triple Q or TQQQ, also known as TQQQ, and we also have SQQQ. Now both are directionally opposite because one is the short one, and if you want to go in the opposite direction, you can go for SQQQ. If you want to go long, you can choose TQQQ. So I hope you understand this. And apart from that, we have SOXL or Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x a share. So these are the 3 highly traded ETFs for this week. And if you are looking at the price action, so let's start by looking at TQQQ. And if you are looking at TQQQ, and I mean if you want to go for a long term move, I personally like this. I really like this because this one has actually generated a huge amount of wealth if you have invested in TQQQ for the last decade or so, for the last 13-14 years to be precise, or 10 years to be least. And as far as the price action is concerned right now, and the trend I'm talking about is for the next couple of months to years, so it is not at all for the short term. So you can clearly see the big support level has already been tested, and if it continues to sustain above 17.9 or 17.9, which is your support as well as your stop loss, then the swing which you may get, here we are, in the long term. So the swing that you may get in the long term will be in between, or will be somewhere in between. Let me show it to you. $230 and $440 on the upside. Now this is for the long term. This is not at all for the short term. Now talking about SQQQ, now remember when you are looking at SQQQ, it simply means you are going against the long term direction of the market, because you can clearly see over a period of time, if you made money if you short this, okay, or if it is going down, then only you made money. But even when TQQQ is going down for the last couple of months, and you can clearly see the price performance of SQQQ, it has just bounced back a bit, but it does not make any sense because it's been trading in between a range, which simply means that it does not have any trend on the upside, on the opposite direction, and most probably the highs it has already been made were the big highs or big resistance right now. So what we can do with a resistance of 63 and 70, which it has already tested 1, 2, 3 times, it is now moving towards, or has already arrived at 28.74, but its downtrend will start again once SQQQ started trading below 28, then its natural downside will start again. So the overall trend for SQQQ is intact, and whatever highs it has made, it looks like a very short lived, and it will move towards its natural direction once the market stabilizes and once TQQQ started moving higher. The third one is SOXL, and here we are. So if you are looking at the price chart of SOXLs, we don't have much data to talk about, but if you are looking at the price chart of SOXL, what we are going to see over here is, if you want to go for long term, okay, this is not for short term. If you want to go for long term, so there lies an opportunity, there definitely lies an opportunity, and you can clearly see what is happening as far as the price trends are concerned, and it has already tested the lower end of the range or support level. And as far as the trend is concerned, so with a very minimal support or stop loss of 7.98, if it continues to sustain above, or if SOXL continues to sustain above 7.98, the swing that we are going to look at in the upcoming years will be in between 190 and 660. And mind you one thing, these are very slow moving financial products. This will move over a period of time. If you want to compound your money, these are one of the safest instrument. But if you want to do a trading, then either you have to go against the market, or you have to select such products where the volatility are very high. These products are very stable in nature. You may find big corrections, you may find big upside. They will take time, but over a period of time, because these are ETFs, so this will not go down. So as a beginner, you can hopefully look at this kind of things, which will give you a return, or which will compound your return over a period of time. And obviously don't be greedy. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.